These Lao Gan Ma cold rice noodles are fast and easy to make. With just a few ingredients, you can make a simple and highly satisfying dish for lunch, dinner, or even breakfast. First, soak 100 grams of rice noodles in water until a bit softened. Then let's do first water bath. Cook the noodles in a pot of boiling water for about 5 minutes until softened. Drain the noodles completely and we will do a second water bath. 2 water baths help to remove extra starch from the noodles. Cook the noodles again for 1 to 2 minutes. Then rinse the noodles with cold water thoroughly. This helps the noodles to retain an excellent chewy texture. Now add the noodles to a serving bowl and set it aside. Next, let's prepare 2 large eggs. Give it a good whisk. In a frying pan, set the heat on medium-high. Add some vegetable oil. Then pour in the eggs. Let's sit for 30 seconds before flipping to the other side. Move the eggs to a cutting board and cut the eggs in small pieces. Set this aside. For this recipe, I am using frozen spinach, but you can also use fresh spinach. Cook the frozen spinach with some boiling water for a few minutes until cooked. If you use fresh spinach, you can just cook it with a bit of oil in a frying pan. Now drain the spinach to get rid of extra water. Next, it's time to assemble the dish. Add some eggs and spinach to the serving bowl. Then adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese black vinegar. You can also use rice vinegar. And 2 tablespoons of Lao Gan Ma. Use the one that's named crispy chili oil. The light soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, and Lao Gan Ma form a nice party of flavors. Remember to mix well with chopsticks before serving. Guys, this looks so delicious. I hope you can give this recipe a try. You will decide to make it again and again. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!